I'm too stressed to be stressed. My nails are looking so good. Okay, bye. Take her higher, higher. I just came here to give you guys a Lego update. So it is currently, I don't know the exact time, but I'm sure it should be like 10:30ish in the evening. I don't know, but yeah, it should be around that time. So I just popped in to show you guys a little something. I'm coming to work. I'm currently working. Okay, I have like some videos to film, so I am coming to film them. I usually like filming in the night because this is when like I have myself to myself, no disturbances, no interruptions, no nothing. So the work process is usually smoother and faster during this time. I really wanted to show you guys like the behind the scenes, like just put you guys on one corner for you to chill and watch me work, but unfortunately I'll be needing both phones. I currently have the other one for filming, and then I'll use this one that I'm currently using to record. That's what has the script, so I'll be needing that because I have to go back to the script and all of that. So yeah, I'll just show you my little setup, what we are working with, and I'll probably get back to you guys after filming the video. That's if I'm not tired to the bone. Okay, so let me just show you the setup and I'll see you guys later. This is what we are working with currently. This is my ring lights. This is the phone I'm going to be filming with, and I want to like sit myself right here and film. I don't know how that is going to work, but yeah, this is what we are working with, and I really hope it works out, right? So this is the product I'm working with. I think I've showed you guys this before. Those who like have been here for long, you might have seen this product in one of my videos when I started working with them fresh. So yeah, they came back for another deal. So yeah, we're working with that. It's a pretty cool product. Anyways, I will see you guys later. Okay, bye. My nails are looking so good. Okay, bye.
One eternity later.
I don't even know why I'm okay. I know why. So what's I don't know why I'm vlogging with my front camera, but it's because I'm too stressed to be stressed. But anyways, we're halfway through now. It's left with the editing, but I've already recorded the voiceover, so I'm sure I'm just going to breeze through. I should be done around 1:30. Right now it's 11:42, but yeah, we started from the bottom, now we up. Amen. So yes, that's that. I don't know what this pimple is looking for on my face, but yeah. But you guys, I want to show you some, like a little bit of the video here. So this is what we have. I'm just going to skim through for you guys. This is what we have, basically. Yeah. But yeah, this is the one I did on the floor as well. So it's time to, you know, edit it. Okay, yeah. So I don't know. I have, it's not aerobics, I have squat what, a squat session at the gym. Is that what it's called? That's what I choose to call it, Sha. I have a squat session at the gym tomorrow morning, like 7 a.m. prompt. Looking at the time I might go to bed. I don't know if I should actually go to bed or I should just hang around till daybreak. I don't know, because I don't trust myself to wake up. And I missed the gym today, so I have to go tomorrow. And I can't go in the evening because my instructor wouldn't be around in the evening. So this time I have is the morning. Fingers crossed. Pray for me, okay? Pray for me. Alright, so I'll see you when I see you. Bye. Mwah. Hi guys. Good morning. Good morning. I hope we're all doing well. So, good news is we made it. Okay, we made it to the gym. I woke up, I wasn't late at all. I actually surprised myself, and I'm glad. I'm happy because I was so scared that when I sleep, I'll not be able to wake up early. But you guys, I woke up, I was able to make it. So today I didn't even do my own personal workout, just like the squats session thingy, and I'm back home. I'm so tired. I have to finish editing the videos, submit it to the brand, get my money, and yeah, if I think I have an order to pack as well. So yeah. See how the day goes, but I'm here to show you guys some things. Okay, so thank you cards are in. They came in yesterday night and I couldn't show you guys, so here they are. I've already put them in this little bowl, I don't know, organizer thingy. So this is what I did, 200 pieces, and this is what it looks like, exactly what I wanted. This was the one on top, so like ignore the indentations on it, but this is exactly how I wanted it. And then this is the section for affirmative words and all of that. It's like our clients are really getting into affirmative words, like they love it so much. They keep little notes and things like that. And then we have a QR code here to scan that leads you to several other links of us, our WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, yeah, like that. So this is the section where your name goes. If you want to have a feel of this thank you card, don't forget to patronize the She Haven, and then you feel it, you experience it. Okay. I don't want buying for me to be just buying for me. No, buying from the She Haven has to be a whole experience on its own, right from chatting with you, like right from our DMs to when you receive the item to when you use it, how you feel. I mean, I want it to be a whole experience you won't forget in a hurry, okay? And I think it's working actually. From the feedback we are getting, I think it's actually working. Let me show you guys the logo stickers as well. As for these, I've already done them before with him, so yeah, that's what they look like. Nothing different, nothing different, nothing different. I'm happy, but I'm tired, man. I'm tired. All I want to do is sleep, but I can't sleep because I have work to do. So I'll see you guys when I see you. Okay, pray for a baby girl. Bye.
du soleil, pas du soleil, pas du soleil, pas du soleil.